everyone, it's Sam here, and today I'm going to be looking inside box 58 from the Papercraft Society. I've been really looking forward to this one because it's very cute. From the kind of little sample images I've seen, it looks wonderful. I haven't looked at Lou's unboxing, and I always tend to share these much later. So if you're watching this now, it would have been out probably a good month or so already. Lovely box as always. How the box looks, the colours, the design, the theme is what's going to be inside. So loving this already. Got that lovely gold foiling there as well, you can just make out. And then inside, so we've got life is like a cactus, thorny but beautiful. And then we've got our box of goodies. So as always, I like to look inside the envelope first, which is a new one. So this is different. It's more of like a little pocket box, or little box rather than an envelope. So first time looking at this. Let's see what's inside here first, and then we'll do the tissue paper. So this one has been designed by Time for Tea. So if you are unaware of this company, this is why these boxes are really good, because they introduce you to companies that you may not have heard of, styles and techniques that you may not have done before. It's a nice way to kind of test out your, what you like. I think if you're new to card making, kits can be a really good way to kind of just see what you like and try out different things without investing in a lot of it. So everything is just all in. So again, if you're just joining now with these kind of subscription boxes, you're not going to know any different. But if you have been subscribed for a long time, there used to be a pull-out envelope with 3 pockets, and each bit was in a different pocket. But now you've just got everything together, which I actually like. I don't not like it, but it's not now going to flow with all the others in my bookcase. As someone who likes things to all be pretty clean and, even, this is, I might have to start all these ones on a new shelf and then it won't look so bad. Anyway, I digress. So we've got dies, we've got 2 stamp sets, we've got stencils, and we've got some papers there. So I'm going to take all the plastic off first and then we can have a better look. Okay, so we'll look at the die set first of all. So we have this frame with all the different windows. Then you've got all your elements to build a different cactus. So it looks like they have arms and a face. You've got a little bow tie and some hearts and flowers there. And then, like I said, that big frame. So each of these squares, rectangles, they all cut out. So I'll have a look inside the inspo booklet in a moment, and we can see exactly how that's meant to be used. And then the first stamp set. So again, you've got all the different cactus here. Succulents, so you've got some funny sentiments. Life without you would really suck. Sorry for being prickly. Stuck on you. You can't touch this. Thank you for sticking with me. Hello there, friend. Our friendship is always on point. Really good. I'm someone that loves a pun. I use a lot of them in my own range, but these are great. If you love cute little images, building cute little scenes, that's what Time for Tea is known for. I've never actually owned any of their products, so this is nice to have some of this, but go check out their website and Facebook, all the socials and stuff, and you'll get lots of inspiration. You've got all the little faces here, and then you've got your planter, different pots, and then again, all those little cactus there as well. So looking forward to using this one. And then this one here, we have some more succulents and cactus, but you've also got then some cute little critters. So we've got the little bunny, looks like a cat, and the mouse. Let's stick together. Congratulations on your new home. Free hugs. I'd rather be gardening. Hope your birthday is on point. I've done that one. Little hanging basket, and then again all the different images there. Nice and easy to colour. They're just outlined, so you don't get any shading and real detail with them, which I think is great if you love to colour. You've got your alcohol markers or coloured pencils. These are going to be fun. And then you've got that lovely stencil there. Sometimes you get bits still in from the machine, just pop those back out again. That's a nice 5x7 size there. And then we've got these papers. So we've got the one that's on the box and the envelope. Again, if you're someone that likes to take it all out, you can use bits of the card, and actually you've got all that lovely floral inside there as well. You've got this one, pattern, florals. That's the same as the packaging, the triangles. I love that one. And again, that one there. Some really sweet designs. So that's everything inside the pocket, and then inside the tissue paper. Always keep my tissue paper. Take everything out. So here we've got 3 markers. These are the same as the Creative Craft product markers. So you've got colours grey, green grey, vermilion, which is 14, and then emerald green, which is 55. And GG3 for the grey. Then we've got a pack of apparel embellishments there. We've got a pack there of, you've got 2 sheets, but there's loads of those little square adhesive foam pads. Then you've got your coordinating cardstock. So these will all work with the papers that I showed you before. So you've got 2 of the coral, 2 of the pink, and these are white core, 2 of the yellow and 2 of the green. That's a really nice palette. I love those colours together. And then we've got the inspiration book. So straight away on the front there, you can see how that die cuts. So using that yellow card and then those cute images there, and that's using the markers. So you can see those colours, how they look. And then I won't show everything inside the book. I always like to keep that for anybody that's watching that thinks, actually, I wouldn't mind this box. I think it's a nice surprise, but I will share a few of my favourites. So straight away on the inside cover, here is Joanna Davis. So she is the designer and owner for Time for Tea. There's interviews, there's your contents and lots of inspiration inside here. But I love particularly this one here. I just love all the shading, the little highlights there with the gel pen of the background that's been created. And then this one shows the die, so the shape that can cut out. That would look nice as a shaker. There might well be one in the book. And this one as well, I think looks super cute with that little scene inside the house with the little cat there. Very, very cute. I love the hanging image there. There's another cute one that Joanna's made. You can see the stencil, how that's been used, and you can see by adding like all the extra bits to the cactus and the face, looks very, very sweet. And then one more, which I think is a nice idea, some 3D kind of makes or home decor. You've got a nice gift box there, and then you've got that framed design as well, which I think looks really nice. Congratulations on your new home. I think that's quite a nice idea actually. So that is everything inside kit 58 from the Papercraft Society. I will have a direct link to this box in the description box below. I'll also have a link to the Papercraft Society, so if you want to check out the subscription offers and just find out a little bit more about it, you can find that there. And I'll have a playlist coming up here, and that will have all of my unboxings. So again, if this is something new and you just want to see what past boxes have been like, you can really get an idea of just how mixed they are. And yeah, again, just see if it's something that you enjoy. Make sure you're subscribed as well, and that way you won't miss out on any future videos, and I'll be back again soon. Take care. Bye.